How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So, I want to do an update of my Hill People Gear Recon chest rig. Now, I'm pretty much in love with this thing, been using it for years, but it always tends to upgrade. I always tend to add things or take things out, and I got it really dialed in where I like it, and maybe you can get some ideas for, hiking-based aspects, is like what I'm doing now, or the bug out kind of mindset, or get home kind of mindset, or even going to more tactical base aspect in being a small lightweight chest rig. Now I can kind of do that with this kit as it is right now. I can cover all of those things easily, and that's what I want to talk to you about. So we're gonna go find a place that's not so crazy deep snow, and I'm just gonna lay it out, show you some of the upgrades and new stuff that I put into it, and just in general of the capabilities it has, which I think is pretty amazing. So let's push into it. All right, so I put my sleeping pad down. That kind of helps out a lot, especially for my knees. So, as you can see here, this is it kind of laid out. I'll go over the exterior first. So this is the Hill People Gear Recon Chest Rig Heavy model. So this is the largest model that they make. It has the MOLLE adaptable on the exterior of it. I have a tourniquet attached to the bottom here, easy to access. All you do is flip the Velcro down and it comes right off, or you can slide it out if necessary. 2 Grimlocks on the bottom, just so I can add. I actually have a hanger. It's like a small pouch. I'll throw a photo of it, but it hangs off of here, and I can kind of do a little bit more with it. So like my night vision will sometimes ride there if I'm in that type of environment. I can put maybe a medical kit. I can do other things with it. Now up here, let's get the Garmin inReach off to the side. Up here, this is a Blue Alpha Gear 10-speed triple mag carrier. Now this is really lightweight and elastic. Now AR or M4 magazines can fit in here, or Glock magazines, or whatever you prefer, can fit in here. But the benefit is other items can fit in there too, like my land nav stuff. If I'm using it and it's out, I can put it in there. I can put a knife in here. I can put, my maps or smaller items or snacks or my phone. They're just nice because they're elastic. So they really conform to whatever you put. Even my gloves, if I'm currently not using them. And if you're running a backpack, your waist straps kind of go around, so it kind of eliminates your pockets. It's nice just to be able to throw stuff in there. So there's 2 main pouches. Of course, if you're familiar with it, you got the front pouch and the back half. So the front half over here has all of my, survival / small equipment in it. Now I have this set up, like I said, for kind of a dual role, such as, hiking just in general, or that emergency basis, that bug out kind of get home bag mindset. So I have another GPS in a Faraday bag right here. Also the Garmin inReach Mini will, wherever it's at right here, will ride in there as well. If I'm not using it, but it's currently on, it'll ride in this small little pouch. I have it tucked up here. Small survival kit, super small, like it's wrapped up, has everything I need that I could probably just get by with. Have a flashlight. It's also mollied in the center, or all in here as well, with Velcro, so you can add your own Velcro to it. Right in the rain. Notebook. I have a ferro rod, 2 extra magazines for my 10mm, and then there's some snacks, and then I also have a red chem stick. Now I have some other items in the back, like a multi-tool, cache, hand warmers, and then paste beads are also in here. So that's the front. Now that's how I have mine loaded out, particularly for this setup at the moment. Works out really nice. That's what I have. I like how it cinches up. I'll throw that back here in a second. Of course, the back opens up as well. I have a couple snacks, a holster for my 10mm, Of course, YouTube, don't freak out. It's good to go. Don't worry. And then my particular maps of my area. Now, that's how I have mine set up currently. Now, that's how I like it, how it's set up. It's about 7 pounds, but that's with ammunition and a firearm, plus some other things. So it's definitely doable. You can kit this item out to whatever you prefer or whatever you want. That's just what I am running in it right now. Let me put this back in, try to open it up so you guys can see a little bit better, but I'll link all these items, or as many items as I can get. I'll link all this stuff in the description box below. So if you want to pick up any of these items, you definitely can. Actually, there's mini IR chem sticks in here as well, which are pretty cool. I like these for map reading, especially if I'm doing night vision or night ops. I can actually put these and like kind of tape them or put them up in here. So only when I open this up, then you can see it. Or you can run this chem stick along the top here too, jam it in there. So when you open it up, you have light to look inside of it, especially it being red. Red is, you know, one of the dimmest of lights and whatnot, or of the colors. And it'll help a lot at your night vision too. Doesn't like destroy it. So if you guys like this kind of stuff and want to see more details, or you have any questions, definitely put them in the comments section below. I'd like to hear from you and whatnot. And if you like it, do you run something like this? Have you before? Something new? Do you like it? Do you like my kit setup? Stuff like that. I greatly like to hear from you. But other than that, hope you all have a great day.